Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tiny tutorial, I'll teach you how to add social icons to the header in your Squarespace website. From any page on your site, hop into edit mode and hover over the header until you see the option to edit the site header. From here, select elements, and then right here I have social links toggled on, and that's how we're seeing that little YouTube icon. If I turn it off, that'll go away. Clicking that will turn it back on. Now to edit those social links, select the Edit Social Links option, and here you can link to up to 35 different social media platforms to have their icon show, or you can link to an email or an address to any page on the internet. So for example, I can link to google.com and it will just show the link icon. I can link to an email address and it will show the email icon, or I can link to just about any social media platform, or for example, Dribbble is a great one. If you're an artist, you might have a Dribbble portfolio. You can link to that as well. There are 35 different icons, and I will put a link in the description beneath this video to the entire list if you'd like to see if the social media platform you'd like to link to is on there. When you're all done, just make sure you select Save up here on the top left-hand side, and you'll be good to go. One last time, I'll show you how we got there. Hop into edit mode from any page on your site and hover over the header until you see the option to edit the site header. From here, select Elements and toggle on Social Links. Underneath that, you'll have the option to edit the social links, and you can link to up to 35 different social media platforms, a page that exists anywhere on the web, or an email address. And one last thing I forgot to show you, if you want to change the size of those icons, just use this little slider down here or click into this box and physically type in the size you'd like to see. For more tiny tutorials like this one, visit InsideTheSquare.co.